Now back home, the Burman family, which runs FMCG company Dabur, has responded to CNBC-TV18. It has refuted allegations made by the independent director of Religare Enterprises. Now, according to an Economic Times report, 5 independent directors of Religare have accused the Burman family of wrongdoing and fraud as the family looks to acquire their company. Vivek Iyer is standing by now with more on the allegations and the Burman family's response. Vivek, take us through what this is really about, the allegations made, and how the Dabur family is responding.
Well, ever since the Burman family had given an open offer to the shareholders of Religare Enterprises, there have been multiple allegations that have been leveled against the Burman family, and this is now being done by the independent directors of Religare Enterprises. Now, what the ET reports is that the independent directors have written to the regulators, that is the RBI, the SEBI, as well as the insurance watchdog, that is IRDAI, alleging various wrongdoings on part of the Burman family. In fact, out of the 6-member board, ET reports that 5 of them are independent, and the board is led by Executive Chairperson Rashmi Saluja. We reached out to both, the Burman family as well as Religare Enterprises. The Burman family has given a point-by-point rebuttal to all of the allegations leveled against it by the Religare Enterprises independent directors. The first allegation is that, Burmans are in material breach of regulatory obligations that may harm the firm. They respond saying that, the Burman family has purchased all of the shareholdings in Religare Enterprises through transparent market purchases and preferential allotment in prior fundraising exercises that was approved by the board of Religare Enterprises. There is no market manipulation whatsoever. Secondly, the independent directors state that parties seeking to acquire the business ought to be scrutinized for the fit and proper criteria. They respond saying that, the Burman family and its members satisfy all norms of fit and proper criteria mandated by financial services regulators, and this allegation is baseless and devoid of any merit. The third allegation is that, the allegations include charges of collusion with earlier owners, that is the Singh brothers, and also there is a pending case of fraud against Dabur India chairman Burman. They respond saying that, these allegations are false, frivolous and defamatory in nature. Along with that, they say that the charges are being made to divert attention from the main core issues that plague Religare Enterprises. Also, there have been questions that have been raised by independent directors about the source of funds to be used for the acquisition. There's a strong rebuttal coming in as far as this particular point is concerned. The Burman family says that, they run a significantly large family investment office and has sufficient assets far in excess of the proposed acquisition. They are saying that the reference to our activities being fraudulent and illegal is baseless as well as defamatory. Now remember, Religare Enterprises has 4 key businesses. Religare Finvest, to acquire this particular business, there could be an RBI approval that could be required. The Care Health Insurance is the health insurance provider. To acquire this particular business, there could be a requirement to get an approval from IRDAI. Religare Housing Development and Religare Broking, 2 are the other businesses that are being held. It's a very interesting story. Remember, we've reached out to Religare Enterprises as well, and so far we are yet to receive a response from them.
Vivek, many thanks for joining us. On to CNBC TV.